Court is calling 2022 CR 1107 State versus Angel Cantu. And are you Angel Cantu?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Angel Antonio Cantu who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 1107 for the offense of indecency with a child's sexual contact on August 25th, 2022 for a period of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes.
State.
Yes, Your Honor, violation of condition number 13A on or about the 11th day of September 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Angel Antonio Cantu, then and there failed to comply with the instructions of the Bear County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Sex Offender Program, and that the defendant admitted to having internet identifiers on Discord, Kick, and other social media platforms. Violation of condition number 13.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Sure.
Violation condition number 13B on or about the 16th day of September 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Angel Antonio Cantu, failed to comply with the instructions of Lone Star Offender Treatment Program, his court-ordered sex offender treatment program, in that the defendant failed to progress toward reasonable treatment goals and was terminated from treatment in violation of condition number 13B.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Violation of condition number 13JA. On or about the 11th day of September 2025 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Angel Antonio Cantu, then and there failed to comply with the instructions of the Bear County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Sex Offender Program, and that the defendant admitted to accessing the internet on an unmonitored device in violation of condition number 13JA.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Violation condition number 13L on or about the 11th day of
Let me just stop you all. Are you all doing 13L but not 13F?
13F and 19 are going to be waived by the state.
Okay. Do you really need 13L?
We can waive 13L as well.
No objection, Judge.
All right, court will find 13A, 13B, and 13JF true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, that is to grant the state's motion, revoke the defendant's probation, adjudicate and guilty, and sentence the defendant to 8 years in prison.
All right. Why should I follow this?
So Judge, Mr. Cantu so these allegations arrive from Mr. Cantu's own statement. So he was self-disclosing of these things during the process of which he was getting treatment for under the sex offenders program. He had been asked by his counselor, through the various ways they go through counseling, how are you doing? What's going on? He self-reported these incidences. The thing that what I understand from how I've looked at this case is that my client has had struggles with doing probation. I think ultimately probation is good because it helps us find these issues where we have problems that kind of relapse up. I think given that Mr. Cantu has indicated, we're here today because he's not hiding anything. He's not proud of what he did, and he has indicated to me that he understands that this is, it's not good, and he, shouldn't have been doing it in the first place, Judge.
So has he had contact with the complainant?
Judge, it is my understanding that he has not. I do have the mother of the complainant here is present. If you would like us to call her, Judge.
I mean, well, you talked to her. She's saying that he hasn't had contact?
That is what she said, Judge, and I understand that's only her statement.
All right. And how old is the complainant?
I'm going to get her.
How old is the complainant?
My mother, 14, Your Honor.
Okay.
Judge 14 at the time of the.
Oh, okay. I do remember this case now. And I'm sorry, could I have the trial court certificate? All right. And I'm sorry, state, why should I follow your agreement? I'm sorry.
It's a fair prison sentence from the state's point of view.
So what has he done on probation?
I'm sorry, his probation officer was here a little bit earlier.
Okay.
But according to the court summary, there has been 3 negative UAs. He was in sex offender treatment, but there was some issues there. As far as anything else, he was on the So Moved caseload, but there's a total credit of $1,163 toward his supervision fees. But other than that, Judge, nothing
Are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will revoke, find you guilty, sentence you to 8 years in the prison. There's to be no contact with the complainant, no residing in households with minors, no contact with minors, and Chapter 62 registration. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court is calling 2025 CR 007924, State versus Matthew Insurriaga. Are you Matthew Insurriaga? You're charged with aggravated sexual assault of a child. That's a first-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Then two, what you're being charged with, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? So the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Counsel, are you requesting a PSI and TAP evaluation?
I am, Judge.
Is there a need for a mental health evaluation?
I believe so, Judge.
All right, I need a PSI, TAP, and mental health evaluation, Ms. Abrams and Ms. Ferguson, what date?
I can do February 12th.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you are excused. I will base my decision upon your application upon any information that's given to me, all right?
So my brother, he's in the army, was gonna, like, how do I have him like get a contact with child for?
Oh, no, what will end up happening is you'll speak to your attorney about that. And whatever information you want me to know, just let your attorney know, and your attorney will let you know if they think it's appropriate for me to know about that or anything else. Just go through your attorney, okay? I'm sorry, what?
Okay.
Sure.
I was trying to see if permission could go to my child's birthday.
Oh, you'll have to speak with your attorney, and your attorney will have to file a motion for that.
Yes, and I asked him, and he said he was gonna talk to you.
Okay. All right, and is the complainant the mother of this child? Oh, no.
What do you mean?
I said the complainant in this case. All right, then your attorney, once your attorney confers with the state, the court will consider. All right, Ms. Ferguson, I'm sorry, what date?
February 12th.
All right, so we'll be back on February 12th, Mr. Woodard.
Okay, thanks.
All right, thank you. Once you sign that, you'll be excused. Yes, and make evaluation.